Oh, I didn't like the breakfast area. It's very crowded. It's very busy, and I don't like to have breakfast in such environments. I prefer like chiller ones. Vienna looks like very silent place. At least this neighborhood I am here right now, it is a very silent one, and a lot of buildings everywhere. Many buildings, all the places I go. So I will try to find the bakery I want to have breakfast. I'm feeling myself much better, much stronger. I slept a lot this night, and yesterday I went to an Indian restaurant and I ate a lot of food, which was very good, very delicious. Indian food somehow reminds me of the Brazilian food. At least their portions are big. I ate a lot of rice and chicken, so it was great. It was really good. Oh, I know. Yeah, here. And that's my hotel, Meininger, the red one. I like the signs of the cars because they always have a flag from the country, in this case Austria. Also they have a letter of the country the car is from. So we have here A for Austria. So when it's Portugal, P for Portugal, S for Spain. I think PL for Poland, and etc. Penny is a supermarket. They have a lot of. They are in a lot of places. They are in almost every corner. There is a Penny supermarket. Penny. Weird, this name. Looks like it will rain today. I hope it won't rain. Yeah, I think it will not. The chances are low. So that's the Penny market, Penny supermarket. I will go here later. I wanna buy some chocolate. Try to find some Austrian chocolate.